This next tip begins in the kitchen with a jar of olives. And the best part about this tip is you get to eat the olives.
Once you've cleaned the jar, take some sprue wax or other soft wax and melt around the edge of the jar. Then if you lose a stone in your ultrasonic, take a cup and dip out some of the solution. Then take the jar and place it down in the ultrasonic and move around near the bottom till you find the stone. When you locate the stone, move the wax over the stone and press down to stick the stone into the wax, and you can retrieve the stone from your ultrasonic. Even in the dirtiest ultrasonic, you'll be able to see to the bottom to find your stone.